Thinking of starting a business in India but confused about firm registration? Hi, I am Ayushi from Diligence Certification, and in today's video, I quickly explain about firm registration and why it is important and how can you register your business in few simple steps. What is firm registration? Firm registration is the process through which a business legally recognized by the government. A firm can be any businesses engaged in selling of goods and services, including proprietorship, partnership, LLPs, and other companies. Registration gives your business legally identity, protects your name, and help you operate with credibility and confidence. Types of firm registration: sole proprietorship, simple and ideal for small businesses. Partnership firm, for two or more owners with a partnership deed. LLP, limited liability with partnership feature. Private limited company, best for startup planning to grow. One person company for solo entrepreneurs. Choosing the right structure depends on your business goal and liability preference. Why registration matters? Registering your firm gives you a major benefit: legal protection and business validity, trust from customers, banks and investors, eligibility of loans, license and government schemes, tax benefit depending on the structure, protection of your business name and goodwill. A registered firm is more reliable and flexible than an unregistered one. Documents and registration process. For partnership firm registration, common documents required: partnership deed, ID and address proof of partner, address proof of business, registration application form, partnership admission, retirement form. Registration process: draft the partnership deed with all terms, rules and profit sharing. Choose a unique business name as per rules. Fill the registration application. Submit documents to the register of firm. Registrars verify and issue the registration certificate. Apply for a PAN card for tax purpose. The entire process takes time 7 to 15 days. At Diligence Certification, we handle everything from end-to-end support. Don't forget like, share and subscribe for more insightful videos. Thanks for watching.